you will see how fast and easy BigDataRevealed allows you to set up and run against PostgreSQL using Spark 2.4.3, JDBC, and BigDataRevealed and Apache Hadoop 3.1, and process a citizen's request for their right of erasure, the encryption of personal data based on its patterns, and another quick example of viewing, analyzing BigDataRevealed's comprehensive metadata catalogs. We first establish the output of this encryption run to be written back to the PostgreSQL database. We then configure the rest of the connection strings to Postgre. Now let's discover the following pattern of personal information for emails, IP addresses and social securities from the extensive BigDataRevealed library. Companies can also create their own. Now that we're done, we will run the process. We now will see in both tables 1 and 2 that the email addresses, IP addresses and the social securities are all encrypted wherever one was found based on the discovery pattern, and after we will see in the BigDataRevealed metadata catalog all this information. The master encryption keys are stored and hidden offsite and retrievable by the secured Spring Framework APIs to decrypt the personal information as necessary for point of sale, customer service, AI, analytics and more. Here we see in detail the table names, column IDs, personal data discovery search name, the row or rows the values were found in, and the total number of rows in each table. This information is useful to validate and audit what actions were taken for the citizen's requests, as well as when a citizen requests what data you have stored of theirs, though does not require that data to be erased at this time. This metadata can easily be integrated into your company's existing metadata tools and applications. Now we set up for a citizen's right of erasure. We establish where the tables will be written and other Postgre connection information such as the schema, and then we test the connection. Now we add the values to be discovered for and erased given to us by the citizen as per their GDPR and CCPA rights based on where the data was derived and where they reside. As we see, all the citizens' values requested for erasure were all the values contained in Table 1 of Postgre and were all properly deleted as requested and will be reflected so in the stored metadata. In Table 2 we see all the citizens' data, but credit card erased, for the citizen did not send or request for credit card to be erased. This is why citizens should first request what data a company has on them, then request right of erasure. This time in the BigDataRevealed metadata we see the locations and requested information on the citizen's right of erasure of personal information versus the data that matched the patterns in the earlier example. This is also important auditing information. Here we see that BigDataRevealed has made all its metadata catalogs available in one central location and allows search and date range parameters for its viewing and downloading, by selecting Apply Filter. You have seen in this short video how fast and easy BigDataRevealed allows you to set up and run against most any JDBC database or Hadoop ecosystem, and process a citizen's request for their right of erasure and the encryption of personal data for its protection. And a quick example of viewing and analyzing BigDataRevealed's comprehensive metadata catalogs. BigDataRevealed takes easy to the next level, straightforward, uncomplicated, accurate, scalable and deliverable. BigDataRevealed makes it easy to execute on the right to know what information you have on a citizen, a sophisticated reciprocal consent module, advanced encryption, point-of-sale collaboration and coexistence Spring Framework APIs, and a complete GDPR, CCPA series of APIs to assist you in reaching compliancy. Reach Steve at 847-791-7838.